Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from Messenger permanently. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Messenger app right here and click on our profile icon at the top left corner. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the switch account option. So tap on that. And this is where you can see all the accounts you have logged into the Messenger app. So if you want to delete a certain account, for example, I want to delete this one, you can just swipe left to that specific account and click on remove right here. So if you want to remove the current account you are logged into, we can click on a different account so we can log into that. For example, I'm going to log into this account. So let's just wait for it to load. We can click on settings right here at the bottom right. Click on manage accounts. And what we can see is all the accounts and pages that you have. For example, I want to delete this one right here. And then you can click on remove if you like. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.